it's Mark from techforschool.org here. Today we're looking at the app Adobe Voice, which is only available for iPad. What I have is the app open in front of me, and you could look at some of the examples if you choose so. What I'm going to do is select create a new story. I'm creating a new project here. It asks you for your title, for your story. I'm going to create a very short story here about my summer holiday. So I'll type that in, and then I will click on the next button. Now Adobe Voice gives you some options, for some ideas of how the structure of your story might look. I normally select the basic one here, which is make up my own, and I'll pick this one. Now you'll see from the screen in front of you that there's not too many options on the screen. At the top you have your layout, which allows you to change the layout of each slide, where you can have one item, perhaps two items, a full screen photo, and so on. You have your different themes built into it. So I'll just pick one of the themes here, Wander. There's also music built in, so you can decide which music you want to use for your project. I'm going to pick a playful song here because it's about a summer holiday. I'll pick Ukulele Stroll, and it plays that piece of music in the background. I'm going to make the first scene in my story here. You'll see there's a record button that says hold to record. Before I record, I'm going to select my image to go in. I'll pick an icon, and I'm going to look for a plane because I flew on my holidays. Now you can select any of these icons very easily. Just click on it, brings it straight into the image, and when you're ready to record, you press and hold the orange record button. On my summer holidays, I took the plane to Spain. Now we add a new slide by clicking on the plus button down the bottom. For this one, I'm going to put in a photograph that I've saved to my iPad. For my camera roll, select that image, it loads it in. Again, I'll hold down the record button for my second piece of audio. The weather was very nice and we went swimming every day. And I'll add a third slide. That's all I'm going to do for this one. And for this slide, I'm going to change the layout to a thing and a caption. So I'm going to get an icon of an ice cream. And underneath that, I'm going to put in the text, ice cream. And I'm going to hold the record button. I ate too much ice cream. And I'm finished. So I can play the video back and listen to the whole thing. The play button down the bottom left of the screen. On my summer holidays, I took the plane to Spain. The weather was very nice and we went swimming every day. I ate too much ice cream. And from there, you click the share button when you're finished, and it'll give you some options to share the video through Facebook, Twitter, or just email it. You can also save it to your camera roll on your iPad and then save it up to your hard drive or your Google Drive or someplace you keep your portfolio. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.